Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that promise to elevate your beauty routine and separate the hype from the reality. Today, we're taking a close look at the Smashbox Always On Liquid 24-hour eyeliner in black. This is a liquid eyeliner designed for dramatic, precise lines that claim to be long-lasting, waterproof, and resistant to smudging for up to 24 hours. The formula comes in a sleek, pencil-like applicator, offering a matte finish that's ideal for bold, defined eyes. Smashbox highlights its long-wearing performance and precision tip, which is meant to help create everything from sharp cat eyes to subtle lash line definition. When I tested this liner, it immediately impressed with how smoothly it glides across the lid. The pigmentation is intense, delivering a deep, true black in just one stroke. The applicator feels sturdy yet flexible, making it easier to control the line's thickness and shape. In my daily wear test, I found that it truly stays put throughout the day, surviving a morning workout and even a quick drizzle without transferring or fading. Removing it at the end of the day required a good makeup remover, which is expected for a waterproof formula, but it didn't irritate my eyes, even with repeated use. One of the standout aspects is the precision it offers. Fine lines are achievable without tugging at the delicate eye area, and the matte finish gives a polished professional look that lasts. However, it does have a bit of a learning curve for those new to liquid liners, especially when drawing wings or intricate designs. On the pro side, the color payoff, longevity, and precision are exceptional. It's smudge-proof and waterproof, which are huge wins for anyone who struggles with liners disappearing by midday. The applicator design is ergonomic and makes repeated application comfortable. On the downside, the removal process requires a dedicated eye makeup remover, and beginners might need a little practice to master flawless lines. In terms of value for money, this liner sits in the higher-end range, but delivers professional-grade results. Considering the intense pigmentation, waterproof formula, and staying power, the price is justified for anyone looking for a reliable, long-lasting eyeliner that won't let you down during a full day or night of wear. If we compare it to similar products like the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Liner or Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner, Smashbox holds its own with slightly better pigmentation and an impressively sturdy tip for line precision. The packaging feels premium, and the product itself is long-lasting without feeling heavy on the lids. Overall, Smashbox Always On Liquid Eyeliner does exactly what it promises. It's ideal for anyone who loves bold, defined eyes and needs a liner that won't budge through long days or special events. It's a reliable choice for both everyday wear and dramatic looks, though beginners might need a bit of practice for perfect wings. If this review is helpful to you, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase Smashbox Always On Liquid Eyeliner in the comments or description box below. If you've tried it yourself, drop a comment and share your experience. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.